So now we're going to look at solving a system of equations when we're given the tables or when we need to find the tables. So for this example, we're going to use the equations y equals 2x plus 5 and y equals 5x plus 2. If we take a look at our first table for y equals 2x plus 5, you'll see our x column and then the 2x plus 5 column. Now we know that y is equal to 2x plus 5, so you can assume that this table is our x values and our y values. As we look at our x values, we start at -2, and we increase to -1, then to 0, then to 1, then to 2. Here we have our table of values. So you see the way that x increases as y increases. When we take a look at our second equation, for y equals 5x plus 2, we see a very similar table with your x values and then your outputs, or your y values. We also move from -2 to -1 to 0 to 1 to 2. Now, when we look at these two tables together on either side of me right now, what do you see? Is there a single value on these tables where our input has the exact same output? When we take a look specifically at when our x value is 1, we'll see that the output for both of these equations is 7. When you do 2 times 1 and you add 5, you get 7. When you do 5 times 1 and you add 2, you get 7. So the solution to our system of equations is the point where the xy ordered pair, where the input and output pair of 1 and 7. Because when you plug 1 into either equation for x, you get 7 out as your answer. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to take a look at a graph.